Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your folder with complete files. So it's very simple. First of all, we just need to select our folder, then click on the right click and here's the permission button. We just need to simply click on that. And here you can see is the sharing. You just need to click on the sharing and then share button. And here you can select the any email and any person if you want to create a new user. So here I'm going to select this one and then add. Here you can see we are able to give them some permissions like a read, remove and something. So here again I'm going to add this one, add, and we are going to give this permission. And here is the button share. We just simply go to the share button and here you can see your folder is shared with someone. And so they can easily access our folders and they can add it or something because we can give access to that specific person. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye bye. Take care.